You can download these photos for free. With just one click of a button, upload them here and these platforms will pay you hundreds of dollars on complete autopilot. This is one of the easiest ways you can set up an absolutely free passive income stream for yourself. It works worldwide, there are no country restrictions, and since I will be showing you multiple platforms where you can get paid, make sure to stay all the way until the end of the video. But before we start, welcome to Finance Girl, where we teach you how to make money online the simplest way. Make sure to subscribe to this channel. And don't forget to click on the notification bell, so whenever we upload a new video on how to make money online, you will be updated and you can start making things happen. Also, please give this video a big thumbs up. And if ever you have any concerns, questions, or opinions about the video, don't be shy and just leave a comment down below. Now let's get back to the video. So to start with, I just want to show you proof that this actually works. So one of these platforms that I want to share with you has paid out over $180 million in their users. I know it says photographers, but if you stick with me until the end of the video, you can do this even if you're not a photographer, even if you don't have a camera, and without taking any photos yourself. Because I'm actually going to show you a platform where you can use to get those photos done for absolutely free, so you can make passive income without being an actual photographer. The first platform which you can use to make money today is called Alamy. This is already at alamy.com. On this platform, you can find over 200 million stock images, vectors, videos, and 360-degree panoramic images. So there's definitely a lot of stock footage on here. To preview that this actually has a massive potential, if you go over to a similar web, this website is being visited by over 14.9 million people every single month. So over 14 million people use Alamy every single month to purchase different stock images and videos. They're coming from different top-tier countries. What's even better is that there are less than 10,000 photographers on Alamy, and there are 14 million people that visits the website every single month, which means the demand for those stock images is really high but the supply is really low. Once again, don't worry. You will not have to take these photos yourself. You don't need to be a photographer to do this, and you don't need your own website to sell photos whatsoever. All you have to do is to come over to Alamy, scroll all the way down to the bottom of the website, click on this button, become a contributor, and that will take you over to the next page where you can see this. Sell your work all around the world. Join now and earn up to 50% off any sale. The best thing is that you don't have to actively do anything. You just upload your photos and you can leave them over here because Alamy is going to do the selling for you. They will drive traffic, and each time a sale is being made, Alamy will deliver the image and you will just collect your earnings automatically. So you can log into this website once a month just to collect your earnings. So they pay out over $1 million every single month to their users, and you get global exposure. It's fast and simple. You can make money while you sleep. Upload today and your images will be available for sale within 24 hours. Once again, you are making money without actively doing anything, and that's why it's pure passive income. So to get started, you will just need to click on this Get Started button. Somewhere on this page, you will be able to find those buttons where you can just sign up for absolutely free. There's some basic information about yourself. It will probably take you around a few minutes to sign up, and once you do, you will be able to start uploading photos and start making passive income. Now this is just one of the platforms where you can sell those stock photos, which I'm going to show you where you can find for absolutely free, so stay tuned for that. Now let's see where else you can also sell those photos so you can maximize your results. So another website where you can sell your photos in complete autopilot is at Crestock. This is already crestock.com. You will come over to this page and you will click on how to sell right here, where they will explain to you everything in detail. I just want to show you something that's really important. So if we scroll a little bit down, you will be able to see this table where they will explain to you exactly how much money you will be making. So you will be making around 20% plus 25 cents per image for your first 249 images that you sell. If you sell more, you will earn more money. So the more you sell, the more money you make per image. 30 cents might not seem like a lot for one single image, but if you put it in a way that people actually buy hundreds of images and you will be able to upload thousands of them and sell them for basically unlimited times, this can actually quickly add up to something pretty decent. Now the way you will be getting paid with Crestock.com is through PayPal, so you can get paid directly to your PayPal account. You will get your first payout as soon as you have $50 in your account. You can request payout via PayPal or Skrill, and you will get paid in less than 24 hours. So once again, this is at Crestock.com. Another website where you can sell your images is over at snappedforyou.com. This is already snappedforyou.com. You can sell your photos, no order processing. no printing, no deliveries, no hassle, and there's no work required from your side. You just upload those photos and you make money as soon as someone buys them. You make money hands-free without doing any of the work. You don't have to deliver the photo. You don't have to handle support, and you don't have to do any of the hard work. So you can just come over to snappedforyou.com. Either click on the sign up button right here or click the seller sign up over here. Now you will need to enter some basic information about yourself, some basic demographic information, and bear in mind that this is not absolutely free. So optionally, you can use snappedforyou.com if you want to. If not, you can exclude this from the list and only use the rest of the platforms, which I shared with you. But if you want to maximize your results, you can invest $10 into the registration fee and publish your images on Snapped For You as well. Another platform where you can sell those stock photos is over at the shutterstock.com. This is over at shutterstock.com. You can scroll all the way down to the bottom of the website, click Sell Your Content, and you can see Share Your Work and Start Earning. Join Shutterstock's global community of contributors and earn money by doing what you love. In this case, that's basically going to be no work at all, so you get those images done for you, submit them, you get paid, and you can also refer friends and family if you want. You can refer them to this website and earn more money. More than $1 billion paid out to their users, so this is definitely the highest paying one. Over the last 15 years, they paid out $1 billion to a worldwide community of contributors. It works worldwide, it's really easy to use, and you can just sign up in less than 60 seconds. So just come over to shutterstock.com. Once again, click on Sell Your Content, click the Join Now button, create an account, sign up for absolutely free, and you can upload your images. Now let me show you where you can actually get those images for free so you can sell them on all of these platforms without having a camera and without being an actual photographer. Well, just before I show you that, don't forget to subscribe to this channel with the notifications on, and I will notify you whenever I have new and fresh strategy to make money online. Now, in order to get those stock photos free of charge, you can go to idplr.com/photosplr. Once again, it's idplr.com/photosplr. You can come over here and you can browse all of these different packages of stock photos, which give you lifetime license to use them for your own purposes and resell them on other platforms. As you can see, there are a lot of stock photo packages here. This one right here, stock images for you to use in your projects, and so on and so forth. Different packages with hundreds of images which you can use free of charge. To get those stock photos, all you have to do is to click on the package that you like. Let's say, for example, I want to use this one. I will just click on it, and that's going to take us to the next page where we can sign up for free and download this. So you can preview it if you want to, and as you can see, you get the resale rights. It can be sold, it can be used for personal use, and so on and so forth. So you can go through the license right here. You obviously can't modify or change the main product, but you don't even have to do that. So just click on the download button right here, and now it will tell you to register for an absolutely free account. So just click on the button right here, and it takes you to the registration page. Just click on the free members button right here, and click here to register for free. Now you can sign up by entering some basic information about yourself, like your valid email address. Retype the same email address. Now open up your email and confirm your account by clicking on the link that they have just sent you. So click here to activate your account, this link right here. Now you will enter your first name, your last name. You will choose a username for your account, create a password, and retype it, and you will see what we have created is an absolutely free account. Our total is $0. You can click this link to access the members area. Now you can get back to that stock photos package which you wanted to download and just download it free of charge. Inside of it, you will have loads of photos which you can use on all of those platforms. Upload them and make money hands-free. And that's it! Before we go, make sure to subscribe to the channel and click on the notification bell. Smash the like button, and I'll see you in the next videos.